To join the OBS community, on the top menu, click on Help, then click on Join Discord server. As you can see, it says you've been invited to join OBS community. Currently, the community have about 252,118 members, and over 50,000 are currently online. If you don't have a Discord account yet, go ahead and create one. You'll find resources online that would help you do that. It's quite easy and straightforward. If you have the app installed on your PC or your mobile device, whichever one you're using, go ahead and click on Open App. Or you can continue in browser by clicking Continue in browser. But I'm just going to click on Open App. Now it's prompting you to accept the invitation, so I'm just going to click on Accept. So you're just going to verify that you're human by clicking on this box. And now I'm in. It says welcome to the official OBS server. Are you here for support or would you like other channels? So depending on what you want to do, you just click. Or usually you just want to click on this and this, and then click Next. Scroll down and click Finish. And now we are in the OBS community. You can go ahead and click on any of these channels to see what people are talking about. See here we have Windows support. So you see people asking questions and getting answers. You go ahead and ask any question if you have. We have Mac OS support, Linux support, we have audio support, there's FAQ and guides. There are a lot of things here. You can get OBS official announcements here. These are announcements. Here it says OBS Studio 32.2 is now available. This is Tech Talk. You can just join other people here and have conversation with people in the community. There are a lot of value you can get from this. You get to meet experts and people who are more experienced with using OBS and get help when you need it. All you just have to do is familiarize yourself with people here and ask questions if you have any. One thing I also encourage you to do is to read the rules so you don't default in any of them. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.